Thank you so much. Oh, Ne! Hi, Ne! Ne! Di mana, Ne? No bau. Smell good. Enak. Enak. Thank you, guys. Okay, so I still have a lot of things to pack. Yeah, so okay, guys, I'll just do live later because I lupa. I'm so low bat right now, so I cannot. Apa sih ini? Ya gigit nyamuk ini. 2. So guys, later, okay. Nanti, me and Lovely and Kak Dini, we're going to jalan-jalan again. Jalan-jalan again. So I need to pack things because I need to do things, you know. I need to pack everything first before I jalan-jalan myself, okay? So, yeah. Thank you guys for sending me Thai tea, my favorite. Oh my God, I'm so gandut. So gandut. Russell, how are you? Are you okay now? I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you soon. Like, how's your injury? Is it okay already? Okay, pack myself. I'll just put myself in the luggage, no? Mabuhay. Yeah, so enak mas nasi padang. Banyak everyday eat nasi padang. that's why me gandut. Kanando, bring me to Kaputri. Yeah, I love jengkol. Enak too. Ah. Bakfa. Yeah, we love so much. Yeah. What happened with my eyes? I think that's the lighting, guys. I'm so tired. Your cholesterol, oh my gosh. You bring my heart, bring my home. Kanando. Alright, okay. So I'll just pack my things first and then I'll do shave again. Sorry. Okay?